Isa.
Isa. Isa.
What's up guys, it's another day, another life, and another vlog of the day. Actually it's already night, so it's another vlog of the night. Right Stan?
Uh-huh.
What you doing Stan?
Playing by myself.
What?
Hockey.
What are you playing there? Oh, that's cool. Can we do 2-player with that?
Yeah.
Like how?
Oh, God.
I always love hockey. That table hockey. Yeah.
Oh, come
it's
on.
cool, right? Well, actually, right now we're at KFC and it's really freezing cold outside.
So we're gonna test something.
Like
Oh, yes.
7 or 6 degrees Celsius all over Hong Kong. And then there are like rumors or news that it's snowing in the northern part.
What's
of Hong
rumors
Kong.
again?
Like news, like gossips, news, something like that.
Will
And
never
then
snow
that
in Hong
it's
Kong.
freezing cold outside, we're going to try something at home on a rooftop. We're gonna do experiments like we're gonna put in a container small amount of water and we'll see if that water will freeze the next morning, right?
They say, the news say that if Beijing snows, that means Hong Kong is gonna snow.
Well, Beijing always snows there, but Beijing means
No, if it snows again, then it will snow here.
duh. Well,
Oh, that
what
was
I've heard is that if it snows in Shanghai,
or Shanghai.
there's a possibility that it might snow here, but I don't know how much probability will that be. Now, so
It's Shanghai pala.
yeah, so we're here at KFC to have our dinner because we just came from the church.
And it's freezing cold. Like tomorrow's 6
Yeah.
degrees Celsius.
You know what? Outside, my hand as if I'm holding ice. You know.
Bye.
So finally, we're done eating. And Stan is still playing. Yeah, let's leave. Let's go. Bye.
You know what I ate in the buffet?
What? Which buffet? Oh, the one at the airport?
Yeah.
Oh. How was it? How was the party?
It's on the secret playground.
Like, what kind of... Whoa,
But-
it's so cold.
Bianca
Oh.
knew it before.
Oh, I hate that.
Bianca knew it before.
I'm freezing. And we're finally home, and it's warmer here, right, Stan?
Yeah.
Yeah, outside I was like shivering, like this.
I had the
Were you?
Yeah.
Were you shivering outside?
Not really.
Yeah. So if you're living in a country like Four Seasons,
Like for 8 degrees Celsius.
yeah, the
Oh my
temperature will
gosh.
drop
Until 6.
down to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Someone's
like 0 to 10. Okay.
in this country. It's negative 23.
What?
Yeah.
You'll never reach negative 23.
Of course.
It rarely reached like negative 1. You know. Let's watch TV. We haven't been watching TV for a very long time. We got big TV. We got big screen. Look at our screen. There. That's 42-inch TV. It's a 3D TV. You know.
And you guys think it's
And
so
we do have that speaker that I bought, but
it's
lately
so useless.
useless.
Yes.
Useless. But we rarely watch TV. So look at our house. How messy it is. See? Look at that! What are those? Where did you hear that, by the way? What are those?
What are those?
Yeah, where did you hear that from?
YouTube.
What are
And actually,
those?
I'm really funny.
From whom?
I forgot.
Anyway, so every winter our house is always like this because it's not easy to move when it's cold, yo! What, yo? No, like this morning, it was like 6 degrees Celsius when we woke up, and we need to wake up really, really early. It's a pain, yes, y'all.
Tomorrow's also gonna be 6 degrees.
Tomorrow is going to be really, really, it's colder, and on Monday it's even colder. And one thing that we hate when it's winter here in Hong Kong, because we don't have furnace, and it's always humid here, is this. Look at this. I don't know if you can see this. Okay, that one on the ceiling, yep,
What?
those are molds. See? Wait, I'll turn on the light. Ta-da! That one there. Those are molds. It's molding. So every winter we always, after winter, like, that's why you call it spring cleaning. You know, we need to clean.
Whoa.
There's a lot here now. I hate that.
What?
The molds. Of course.
No!
I hate molds. No molds. I hate molds. I hate molds. Nobody likes molds. Oh, look at this. This one is yummy. Look at that. A present from us. Oh, a present for us by a friend.
It's not a cake.
No way it is. It's a cake. Look at the cherry.
It's not a cake.
I will eat this. Wait. How do you open this thing?
It's soap.
Really?
Uh-huh.
This is soap?
Uh-huh.
What?
Mommy said it.
This is a soap?
Uh-huh.
I almost ate this one.
Uh,
Looks yummy.
I know. When the first time, Mommy said, "Is like, what's this? Can I eat it?" Mommy was like, "No, it's soap."
Really?
Yeah.
What's on your head? Wait, I'm seeing something on your head. What's that? Oh, I thought you have dandruff. Okay, guys, it's already 10:57.
What's happened to the
So it's time for us to sleep because tomorrow we're gonna be leaving
What's happened
early.
to the light?
Okay, we'll bring you to Discovery Bay. It's
It's so dark. How come it's so dark?
Okay, so me and Stan will go upstairs and we'll do the experiment because it will be really cold later. Okay. So let's go, Stan. Let's go. Already here? Upstairs?
Chubby's out of the cage.
Oh,
Close the door.
Chubby. Can you feed Chubby? Can you give Chubby water? Water. There's Chubby, the bunny. Chubby the bunny is there. I don't think you can see me, guys, but anyway. So we're here upstairs on the rooftop and we're gonna do the experiment. So we have this container here. This one, we're gonna fill this with small amount of water only. Maybe probably it's lesser than this. Just a thin layer of ice. But right now we're going to feed Chubby, give her water, and then water the plants as well.
What?
And, yeah. Plants are... Wait, I don't think you guys can see me. Yeah, that's it. That's more like it. So plants are like humans, even though it's cold. Especially if it's cold, they need to be hydrated also. You know, and... You know, so... Regardless if it's cold, especially if it's hot, you need to be hydrated. So I get the water from here. I don't think you can see it, but anyway, that's where I get the water. You need to water them. Water them. Water them. Water them. I'm freezing. The water is very cold. Look. I'm shivering. That's why the camera is shaking. Chubby is here with me. Here's Chubby. I wish I'm Chubby. She's not feeling cold, you know? Chubby. Oh, she's thirsty. Poor Chubby. Can you get Chubby's my hands are freezing. So wait, anyway. So before I let Chubby go, here's the amount of water that okay, bye Chubby. Okay, anyway. So from here, from this container, this ice cream container, so probably that amount of water only. I can see smoke from my mouth. Okay. Or probably thinner than this. I'll make it even thinner. Yeah.
Let's see if it freezes now.
No, it won't. Probably overnight. So I'm gonna leave this thing overnight and hope this will freeze. We're hoping that our
It'll
experiment will work.
And it will snow. Oh, I wish it will snow right now.
Okay, so hope our experiment will work. Oh, so cold.
I see.
Oh, look my hand.
Ah!
Very cold, right? How does it feel?
Feel my hand.
Nothing.
Oh, your cheeks are so hard.
Really? 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 Anyway, so where's Chubby again? Chubby!
Chubby's behind something.
Anyway, so I'm gonna leave Chubby here. Yeah. So just prepare her food and her water, and then we'll put. I'll just put this thing here. Probably here. There on the table. Okay. So we'll see that tomorrow. We're finally back here inside the house, and Stan is going to brush his teeth. It's over there. Yeah, he's not wearing his pants. And here's Dorothy also. And we're watching Eat Bulaga! Yay! So we left Chubby upstairs. But yeah, rabbits can stand that coldness. That's 7 degrees. I think for rabbits that's still warm. You know, because rabbits can stay in a snow area even though it's snowing. Yeah, they can stand that extreme frigid season. You know. Oops. Oops!
I'm covering it.
Okay. Hey guys, you better brush your teeth now because we need to leave tomorrow early. Guys. Guys. Hey. Come on. Okay, so we're going to sleep now and we'll meet you guys tomorrow again. Tomorrow morning, and we're gonna check that experiment if the water freezes. Yeah, I hope it will freeze. Yeah, or else that would be cool. Okay guys, good morning. So we're gonna check our experiment, and right now Hong Kong is under 3 degrees Celsius. Oh, it's raining. Bummer. I don't think our experiment is successful. Cover. No. Nah, it's not. Wasn't successful. But it's 3 degrees Celsius. Fail. And we're gonna have another vlog for today, like the Discovery Bay. So we just woke up and it's already. Oh, look at that. Molds. Yeah, so that's it for today, and hope you enjoyed watching this video, this vlog, and you can comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to us, ESO Productions, and hit the like button if ever you're feeling liking this. Okay, so I'm signing off because we need to prepare. Okay, I haven't brushed my teeth yet. I just woke up because we're gonna be late. We need to leave at 8:30. Because it's already 8:20. Okay, so bye.